Next topic is world's 5 smartest cities. So market research firm Juniper Research Limited ranked cities on the basis of certain factors, including that they selected the smart cities by these kinds of factors: that adoption of smart grid technologies, intelligent lighting, use of information technology and to improve tariff, Wi-Fi access points, smartphone penetration, app landscape, etc. Juniper Research studies the economy of major cities and started 5 smart cities as follows. So they listed the 5 smart cities. So first one is the Singapore. Singapore was crowned as the smartest city on earth after storing data related to cities around the world. It gave Singapore high marks for its smart mobility policies and technology, as well as its wireless connectivity, and it is a leader in transport network. It has made substantial investments in road sensors, phased tariff lights and smart parking. Smart parking system is there, and it also has a long history of using information technology to improve tariff, and it has high smartphone penetration and scores well in broadband availability. So they have the broadband availability, and in the tariff traffic system is also highly improved. And Barcelona is the second smart city, the capital of Catalonia region in northeastern Spain. Barcelona has made extensive use of sensors to help monitor and manage traffic. It has also installed smart parking technology, smart street lights and sensor for monitoring air quality and noise. It is expanding the network of free Wi-Fi in public spaces. So they have free Wi-Fi connectivity. Next is the London. London has ranked near the top of the list in roundups of smart cities in the world. It took early action in using technology to tackle congestion and make parking simpler. It is one of the tech hub of the world. Technologically it is very important and fares well in broadband availability, and London has made big investments in smart traffic technology, and London also invests lots of money for the smart traffic technology. And but the way the city is constructed is not favorable to the cars on the roads. Next one is the San Francisco. It is one of the first cities in North America to adopt smart city technology, and the recent tech boom has made it the unofficial capital of the Silicon Valley. And San Francisco's Connected City initiative enables residents to locate parking spots, and the public transportation network already fares well in certain areas, and however the recent tech boom has choked the traffic in the city. So nowadays this is very popular as a smart city, and it has a good payment system and people can pay online, and the city has been a leader in terms of smart parking. And next is Oslo. It is the capital and the most populated city in the Norway, and it is one of the wealthiest city in the world. Okay, and the city uses information technology to curb energy consumption and greenhouse gas emission, and it has installed sensors to help it monitoring parking, and it has also installed a sensor network to improve the care of sick elderly patients. Okay, they have these kinds of techniques. And the city has established a network of smart street lighting, and which has reduced energy consumption by nearly 2/3, and it has launched a broad sensing network for monitoring traffic levels, and there are apps available for smart parking which offers mobile payments. Other smart cities in the world are Boston, Chicago, Amsterdam, Geneva. These are also under this smart city, but these 5 are the latest. Characteristics, features of smart city versus urban city. What are the differences that in between smart city and urban city. Inclusive technology driven deployment. The smart city endeavor to use technology, information and data to improve infrastructure and services, and this includes access to water, electricity, affordable homes, education, health service, these things, but they have not the facility of technology like the smart cities. E-governments and public participation in government. A greater number of government services are offered online and making public services more affordable and exchanging accountable and transparency, but in the urban cities there have not these kinds of facilities. And increased mobility, that urban mobility is enhanced by increased access to public transport and innovative solutions such as smart parking. Smart parking system is there, but in urban cities there have not any kind of this system. And in smart cities neighborhood are safe and pedestrian and catalyst cyclist friendly, okay, and safer, more livable neighborhoods. And smart cities governments redevelop poorly planned areas such as slums and endeavor to make neighborhood less disaster prone, create open space such as parks, playground and recreational spaces, and enhance the standard and recreational space standard of living. And video surveillance is used to track criminals activity, so all the places there have video surveillance, and security measures are taken to protect senior citizens, women and children. Next is, and the last one is the sustainability. Efforts are made to generate energy and create compost from waste, reduce the amount of waste generated by the construction, restoration and destruction of buildings, and manage water resources more effectively.